G'day everyone, my name's Luke Lau. I'm from Victoria University in the Interactive Media teaching area in the School of Communication and the Arts. Now, I have to straight away apologise. I'm sorry I'm not there. I was trying to do a guest lecture spot, but unfortunately there's a timetable clash and I just can't make it to your class. So I do apologise, but I've done the next best thing, which is to create a short video for Charles to play in your tutorial or lecture. Now, the concepts that I'll be covering will, in these short videos, can be in depth. I might skim over some of the concepts or some of the actual processes. But if you're interested and you want to learn more, send me an email at luke.low@vu.edu.au and I'll email you back. I can have a chat to you over coffee or something like that if you'd like. But in short, my discussion and my engagement with your class doesn't end with this video. Come send me an email and I'll sort you out. Okay, so the first video I'm going to be covering, or the topic that I'll be covering, is video editing. Now, video editing is a, it historically has been a very disempowering process, especially for people who are wanting to make those films but don't have the skills or the computers or the hardware. And usually what happens, especially with community groups, you get someone, they shoot it, they edit it up, and they come up with, they actually interpret your vision for that film or for the series of events. And, whilst you will be able to get your way with what actually, how the story is going to be displayed, ultimately you'll be making some concessions and meeting with the editor's vision as well. So, what I've done is with this new tool that's been released by YouTube, what we've done is we've come up with a process that allows you. Well, this is part of a process. This is just the tool, but I'm going to explore the tool that actually allows you to actually edit the video online without the use of actually any specialized software. Now, YouTube.com have actually released a video editor. It's not particularly advertised widely. It's very hard to actually find on the YouTube website, but if you actually just go to youtube.com/editor, you'll be able to edit the videos that you've uploaded online, really quite simply. So I'm just going to show you the interface. This is the preview window. This is my library of videos that I've uploaded, and I'll show you the only two buttons that you'll actually need. Text, these are titles, and these are actually the transitions. But more than likely, you're not going to be using the transitions. So let's drag, and this is what you do. You just drag a video onto this onto that stage. And when you play it, you'll see the preview. Now, this is a video that I made for a commercial gig that I'm working on for the university. Okay, that goes for too long. So if I want to edit that down, what I'm actually going to do is click on this trim button here. So I've highlighted above it, and there's a little pair of scissors. Click on that, and you can actually reduce the length of this video. I'm going to make this approximately 2 seconds. I'm going to save, and then what I'm going to do is, actually I'll just preview that. So I'm going to preview it. You can see now it's only going for the 2 seconds. So I've actually reduced the size of that clip. Then the next thing I'm going to do is going to click onto that text box, and drag in some titles. Double click on that, and let's call this Luke's movie, and I'll preview. And again, first clip, then the title. Then I'm going to be dragging in another video that I've created. This is an animation that I made for my special effects unit that I run. Okay, first video, text, and now animation. Okay, and again, I can click on this, reduce the file size down, or the length of it again, and continue editing. Now, there is some restrictions with this. The videos that you upload can't be more than 15 minutes in length, and the video that you create can't be more than 15 minutes in length as well. But, that's not a particularly harsh restriction, given that online videos really can't be that long. People's attention spans aren't that great online. Now, what I've actually done is I'm starting up a project working with a community group regarding a project like this that I've talked about. We helped them shoot it. They edit it online. We actually then use the edits that they've done and add another layer of polish, color correction, making everything, the black's black, the green's green, and the audio nice and clean. So if there's a little bit of wind and it's a little bit picking up on the microphones, we clean that up using other programs. But essentially, we allow the authors of that content to have full control of that project. And this is a really good tool. So if you've got an idea about this or have got some another application that you actually think about exploring, send me an email and I'd love to have a discussion with you about this. But I really think this is exciting stuff. One more thing is, just to publish it, you just have to press publish. That's on the top right-hand corner. It actually takes around about 10 minutes to process, but pretty easily done. Okay, so I'd like to thank you very much for your time. If you have any questions, comments, or corrections, again, send me an email at luke.lowe@vu.edu.au. I thank you very much for your time, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the videos. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.